Camille loves guessing games. She will tell you a fact about her shape to see if you can guess what it is. Refer the math notes box in this lesson if you need help with the vocabulary. This is going to be a common theme in the book, so if there's things here you see some words here you're not aware of, go to those math notes in the back of the section, and it should help you solve these problems. Alright, so for A, it says my triangle has only one line of symmetry. What is it? Okay, so what I do is I try to draw what they're asking. So when you look at my A here, I drew a triangle, and I drew one line of symmetry. And looking at this, remember it has to match. So for this to happen, this side has to equal this side, this angle here has to equal this angle. Well, that would be an isosceles triangle. So that's A. For B, it says my triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. What is it? Okay, so again, I draw a triangle. This is B, by the way. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Just going to get used to that. Okay, so this is B, and so it says it has 3 lines of symmetry. Well, I drew my triangle, and I know that the triangle is going to be equal this way, so then I know these 2 sides have to be equal, and that makes it isosceles. Then I draw another line of symmetry. These 2 sides have to be equal, and then I draw the third line of symmetry, and these 2 sides have to be equal. So all 3 sides have to be equal for this to happen. And so what kind of triangle is that? Equilateral triangle. Alright, now the last one says, it says my quadrilateral has no lines of symmetry, but it does have 180-degree rotation symmetry. What is it? Okay, this was a tough one. I had to think a little bit on this one. It doesn't have reflection, but it has rotational. And the only one I can think of is a parallelogram. So just think about it as you draw this line, and then we rotate this 180 degrees, and actually either direction will be fine. And when you rotate it in 180 degrees, this point here ends up being over here. And so we end up getting a parallelogram again. And like I said, C is a tough one.